paperwork.
You're not going to pull out onto the street, are you? You haven't cleared your snow off yet. Go back in there and get a snow brush. I know they sell them. The Ford driver over there did not scrape the snow off the top of their car. It's like you can't reach the roof. Ah, look at that Toyota turn.
Thanks to all of you.
Look at it!
Nobody sent me any nudes.
Oh, how rude.
No. That's totally
good.
fine.
Oh.
But glass, and it is.
Just run the windshield wipers. That'll get all the snow off.
If you establish separate states, the Jews accepted it.
Honda driver can't clear snow off the roof.
Laugh at you. Not really. But go ahead. Why do we keep a 7-day week?
You can't reach the middle of your hood.
Lay all your love on.
So
Ah!
I believe
It's not even. You got your headlights covered too.
Israel kept the
At least one of them.
and without a dominant effect.
See, the Cadillac driver can't be bothered to clear off the snow from the top. Alright, it last snowed 2 days ago. You can't wipe that shit off yet?
He always does this
There's
thing
someone that doesn't give a shit.
The rest of 1 and 2 to watch, and I've seen that whole series, and I cannot tell you how much I enjoyed it. I actually saw
Yikes!
that same
Monday!
one with the horse that killed the guy.
Let's find another effect.
Oh, come on, dude. Clean off your rear windshield at least. Honda drivers. Nissan driver.
And so I don't know. I mean, I'd have to go back and think about it. But there have
Oh
been
man, the Mercedes driver can't afford a frickin' ice scraper. Well, at least this guy cleared off the rear windshield like the guy yesterday. You can't even bother. You can't bother to wipe off that rear windshield. How are you supposed to see me? I'm waving at you. I'm waving. You can't wave back because you can't see me.